Take a look at this. Our MetaTrader got a down arrow. Our ultimate Stoch oscillator is at the highest resistance level, and our ultimate trend also in the resistance level, creating a green-colored line. Let's trade for it going lower. As we can see in the Quotex chart, the trend might go for down at this moment, then a high possibility for the trend to go down for the next seconds. Let's trade for it for 1 minute. We got good trading result on that. This methods comes with at least 90% winning percentage if you done it well. It also needs patience to have the great result, providing higher returns and percentage. Let's trade for another currency pair. Make sure to align MetaTrader 4 currencies to the Quotex chart, and having high percentage of return makes a great deal when trading for 1 minute. A good spot here to trade, but there is no arrow. For confirmation for the trend to go reverse, let's add additional currency pair that can be tradable for easy spotting of 1 minute reversals. Euro CAD creates a green up arrow. Both ultimate Stoch oscillator and the ultimate trend reached the resistance level and got red line, confirming that the trend has a higher percentage for up for the next seconds. As we can see in the Quotex chart, a good and reliable spot to trade here for reversals. Let's trade going up. Good trading result. See the rest of the video and don't forget to follow us to get latest strategies trading with Quotex and other trading brokers. Euro GBP got up arrow, and all of its supporting indicators are at the support level. Let's trade up on this. We already got positive results, and are profitable daily trades.
you.